Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be discussing your S&P, right? US markets and Indian markets. What are the correlations? This is purely based on my understanding of the market structure. We are not going to look at any macroeconomic data, although we will use the data points, matlab, in case a non-farm payroll or a interest rate decision dates, all these dates we will use as a time point, and we look at how the market can approach based on the structure towards these dates and how it can react. All right. We will also see the correlation in case market there's a sync between your US markets and Indian markets. I understand everyone looks at the Dow Jones, but I clearly follow only S&P, and this is my some sort of a rough note where I draw all these diagrams and for my understanding. So I thought it'll be a very good opportunity since we have an extended weekend to discuss what's happening in the global markets as well. All right. Quickly, let's get into the structure. क्या हो रहा है in S&P? Let me take this off. Okay. Towards the month of December 21 and towards the beginning of the 22 year, we heard a lot of news that कि यहाँ पे insiders, the big companies के big CEOs, the CFOs, CTOs, all of them were dumping their shares. Okay, they खुद के their own companies, खुद की companies के share बेचने लग गए. All right, we had no idea why, but then later on we understood कि you see this kind of move in the market. Yes, this is a very complex correction in the market. Okay, it's not easy to trade such stuff, and then we saw a good rally up. Whatever may be the reason for this rally, I'm not interested in that. I'm looking for a structure in the market. All right, from this rally here, it's very clear that there are two possibilities. This can be a wave B. Okay, this entire drop is just wave A, and then we are heading for a mega fall in the market as wave C. This is one. All right, what is the other possibility here? The other possibility is that we had a complex correction here, and then market is done doing correction. It is going for a higher move like this. Okay, there are two possibilities here, and how do we approach this? This is again your weekly time frame, so this will take a longer time to identify the trend, but there are a few clues we can find out from a shorter time frame, and we'll see what happens then. Okay, looking at your daily time frame on your S&P, a good fall, right? A very good fall in the recent times. The previous swing from the top, your 27 July top, what was this top? Where is it close to? It is close to a previous swing here, right? Good liquidity grab karke, it has hit someone's SL and it has fallen down. Now the question is very simple. Whether are we going to see a new all-time high, or are we going for a new swing high in the S&P, or we're going heading down? I've drawn this channel line. You can look at it that market has clearly respected the channel line so far यहाँ पे, and made a swing low at 4243 level, 4243 level. The question here is, can this level be broken? I think so, yes. And if this level is broken, will the channel line ka support break, right? So we'll see that as well in a smaller time frame, but now just for a larger time frame outlook, right? I'm telling you that this can be an ABC move, or this is your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. These are the two possibilities right now. Why two possibilities do we consider? And one is a priority, one is not, is because we are traders. We cannot simply go blind in the market. We have to have both setups ready, and market will decide which is the correct setup, and we will follow that. All right. Let's go down to a shorter time frame. This fall, I think in the public Telegram group, I mentioned that this was a key resistance zone, and we're expecting a drop for at least 3 to 4% drop in the market. If this swing high is protected, well, there's a zone here, I think I mentioned, I don't remember the exact figures, but it's around 4540 to 4570, I assume, right? we were expecting a 3 to 4% fall if this zone gave us a resistance on the S&P. The message was around, I think, in the 1st of September, I guess. First, yeah. And that was the day it made a high, and we have a drop for approximately 6%, 6.66%. All right. So that is more than expected a drop. So the structure here, very simple. I am considering this as an a B, and this fall as C. I don't think this low is safe right now because it's very simple. There's a two possibilities here: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, or 1, 2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, then again a fourth wave up, and then a 5 down. These are the two possibilities. In either both the cases, this low is not safe. Okay, it can be retested, it can make a lower low or an equal low. Both are possible. Double bottom bhi ban sakta hai yahan pe, right? These are the two possibilities I see on S&P right now at this stage, regardless what happens in the market. So at this stage here, market can go like this, a zigzag pullback up and then drop, or go back up, like it does not matter what it does. This low is not safe. All right, based on the structure of the market so far. Now, October month, there are two events which are very important, which will dominate the market. Let me just pull up the calendar here. You can see on 6th, Indian markets, RBI decision, right? That's on the 6th October. And what else do we have? We have your non-farm payrolls on the same day. Now, I'm not looking at the data point, I'm looking at the time. So this is the 6th October. So 6th October is an important date for me to watch out for. All right. In this case here, now, the structure of the market, how we approach is more important. The mid-month, we have another data, which is your CPI data, which is more important. So I'll focus more on this time frame, CPI data, and the end of the month. Okay, both Indian markets as well as your S&P. If the market, and this is the important part, if the market makes a higher high on CPI day or close to that, okay, if the market structure is making a high there, market will make a low towards the end of the month. There's many reasons for this. I'll tell you a few of them. This is one possibility to understand. Now, if the market is somehow making a low towards the mid-month, right, during a CPI day, you can expect a higher move in the market till your 25th, 26th, or even the end of October. Okay, I hope this is clear. So clearly the swing point is between your 12th to 13th October. That is a major one, right? That's the most important one here. In between, we have your non-farm payrolls. That is a minor one. So if you want to see a higher prices towards the end of the month, you have to see a swing low here. If you want to see lower prices, you have to see a swing high towards the mid-month. All right. There are many ways these news events can be manipulated. It can even be a lower high. Okay. It can be a lower high. This can be a lower low or a higher low, does not matter. Okay. Key point here, it makes a swing high or a swing low. All right. Keep that in mind. Again, I'm telling you, it does not matter. It has to be a lower, it can be a lower high, or it can be a higher high, does not matter. It can be a lower low or a higher low, does not matter. All right. Now, towards the end of the month, November, right? What is that? We have a critical interest rate decision by the Fed. That is, I think, the 1st of November. Also, at this time, there is an important astro cycle of S&P, which is a bottomish cycle. Okay, this is a bottomish cycle, and if this is a bottomish cycle, the market should make a swing high in the mid of October. All right, if this bottomish cycle is active, then market should make a swing high in the mid of October. Now, something called time inversions take place. So inversion means where you expect a swing high to be made, there is a swing low made exactly at the same time. Okay. Where you expect a swing low to be made, market makes a swing high. This is called inversions. So as a trader, we have to keep that in mind. So what happens on the mid of October, the price action during your CPI is very, very important. Now, how we approach your CPI data on the mid of the month will tell you how you can expect a month to get over, where the prices can end higher or lower. All right. Let's quickly correlate this to your Nifty. This is all I have on S&P. It's a very short analysis based on price structure. On Nifty, I've already told you this sixth comes, fifth and fourth and fifth is key, and the impact of sixth, the Astro event is on the evening of fifth. So let's just take sixth as an important date here. Price action, I told you here, यहाँ पे एक expanding diagonal. Now the entire Nifty's price action has already been discussed. You can have a look at it. I'll put it in the description box, the weekly update of the structure of the market, right? It's already discussed, and this is just a glimpse of it, a correlation with S&P. All right. If you are to make a low towards the end of the month, if you want to make a low, towards the mid of October, then you have to expect a swing high to be made somewhere here. A swing high towards the 6th, or then we can see a good move down towards October, mid of October, the low swing low made here. If there's a swing low made here towards the mid of October, we can see higher prices in the end of the month. Okay, so which swing is being made towards the October mid is more important, whether it's a high or a low. That's a simple reason why I told you to focus less or be less committed in the upcoming week, right, towards your positions, because there's a lot of twists and turns coming in October month. It's going to be trending definitely, and it can break the upside range or the downside range here. 19,200 can be broken, or 20,000 can also be broken. All right, so something to keep in mind, and look forward to your thoughts on this video and what kind of other videos you want me to see based on sector analysis, or you want me to break down some stock for you guys. Just leave the comments, and definitely give a thumbs up to this video. I'll look forward to I'll be looking forward to make another video in the mid of the week coming, because that's very important to see how price structure unfolds towards the 6th, and this is definitely incomplete structure. So if it's an incomplete structure, then we need to see what happens later on. I'll keep you updated. I'll also keep you updated on the S&P if you want me to. There are many people who follow S&P for various challenges and all that. And yeah, I'm aware that some of our friends from US are very keen to come back to India and trade. So far they've been following the S&P. I hope this video helps them as well. All right. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in another video, and trade safe for sure next week.